Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are cooking Kenyan-style Mbuzi fry. Stay with me and let's make this delicious meal step by step. First, start by preparing your goat meat. Take your fresh Mbuzi and place it on a clean chopping board. Cut the meat into small, bite-sized cube pieces. This helps the meat cook evenly and also allows the spices to penetrate well for maximum flavor. Add freshly grated ginger. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. This gives the meat a mild heat and depth of flavor. Follow with 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin. Now add 1 teaspoon of paprika. This will give your dish a beautiful color and a mild, sweet, spicy taste. After that, add 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Finally, add salt to taste to enhance all the flavors. Now, using a spoon or your hands, mix everything thoroughly. Make sure every piece of meat is well coated with the spices. Once everything is well mixed, cover your sufuria with a lid. Place it on medium heat and allow the meat to cook slowly. Let it cook as you stir occasionally to prevent sticking. As it continues cooking, This slow cooking process is what gives Kenyan Mbuzi fry its deep, authentic taste. Now it's time to fry our Mbuzi meat and bring out all the flavors. Once your Mbuzi is well cooked and tender, heat some oil in a pan. When the oil is hot enough, add in the cooked meat and start frying. Stir it well so it mixes evenly with the oil and begins to brown nicely. Let the meat fry for a few minutes until it starts getting that beautiful golden color. Now add your sliced onions and stir everything together. Let the onions cook until they become soft and slightly translucent, releasing their sweetness. Next, add your chopped green bell pepper. Mix it well with the meat and onions, allowing the flavors to combine and the pepper to soften slightly. Finally, add fresh coriander leaves to give your dish that fresh Kenyan aroma and taste. Stir everything together and let it cook for a few more minutes. And now our delicious Kenyan-style Mbuzi fry is ready to serve, perfect with ugali, chapati, or kachumbari.